Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a pack with me. This is my first time ever filming one of these videos, so I really hope it comes out good. And yeah, I don't really have a plan for my packing process. I really just kind of pack clothes in by days, by the days I'm going away. So I'm going on a 4-day cruise on Thursday. Today's Monday night. And I'm just packing now to get it out of the way because Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be very busy, and then Thursday obviously I can't pack. It's going to be very early in the morning. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Like I said, in terms of packing, I don't have a checklist. I'm going to start off with the new stuff I bought so I can show you all what I got because I'm very excited. But I ordered some stuff in Pretty Thing. I got these shoes. They are super cute. I tried them on and they really hurt my feet, so I don't know how I'm gonna be wearing this in a cruise. But yeah, they're these heels, and you wrap them up. They go all the way up. Sorry, I have all my clothes in a trash bag. Don't ask. But I also got, I actually haven't opened this yet, so open it together. A little haul. I got this really cute dress. It's like, ooh, how do you, oh, okay, yeah. It's like a halter. A black halter dress. Cute. It looks like a little see-through though. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks pretty see-through. I'm a little worried about that. Oh, I got this bucket hat. Definitely gonna be wearing. Cute. Ooh, I got this cute purse. I been wanting a purse like this, but it's like $86 on Amazon. I got this for like $10. Okay. I got a bathing suit because I just been wanting, a lot of my bathing suits have a lot of patterns, so I've been wanting a bathing suit that's just plain. So I got this one. It's just a regular black triangle bathing suit, and then this is the bikini top. Like I said, it's just a triangle one. I did see a video on Pinterest that shows you how to wear a bikini top in 3 different ways, and I want to try that, like a triangle one like this. I'm very excited to try it out. I hope I don't forget, because I feel like I'm a very forgetful person, and I say I want to do things and then I don't ever do them, and when I'm on vacation I'm like, wow, I should have done that. Now when I'm gonna be able to do it. I got these for the cruise because I wanted to wear it with my birthday dress, but I don't really like how these glasses look. What do y'all think? Do you like how they look? I feel like it looks better on the model than it does on me. It just looks different. I don't know, maybe like this. No, I just feel like it's so tight here. I feel like I wish it was wider, you know? Okay, so I think the best way to start with the packing process would be to go ahead and start with my bathing suits, because it seems relatively easy. So I'm just gonna get my bathing suits out of my drawer. It's in this bin. It's not that big. I don't have that many bathing suits. I really like this one, so go with yes. I like this one. This one's a part of a set. Let me find the set. It comes with a whole wraparound, which is super cute. I like this one with the top. It comes with an actual top. It goes all the way down here, but I need to find the top. This one's always nice. It's a one piece. Like this, and then the side is out. It's giving kind of like Kylie Swim, but it's not. It's from Shopsider. But I really like this one. I think 4 is okay because let's be real, I also like this one, but it's kind of the same as the other one. But yeah, 4 is okay because let's be real, I'm gonna be in the pool. I'm not gonna be in the pool every single day. I guess I'll take this little wraparound cover up too for the black one, just in case. Found it. It's this one. It's literally like a crop top, but it's bathing suit crop top. Very cute. And yeah, that goes with this blue one. I'm gonna put this together. I'm not gonna put it in my suitcase just yet because I like to have everything laid out. So now let's pick out outfits by day. So day 1 is the day we get there, so I need to pick out my airport outfit and I don't think I'm gonna want to go in the pool that same day, just because I want to have my hair done and I want to mess it up during the pool. I'll mess it up the second day. I just want to take nice pictures on the cruise, and then I'll, whatever. kind of dumb, but like I literally have to strategically plan these things out in my head. A lunch outfit because I'm gonna change, obviously, take a shower because airports and airplanes I kind of like make me, and then a dinner outfit slash going out because I do want to go to the club outfit. So that's day one. So let's get day one's outfits ready. I basically dumped out a lot of like my summer slash going out clothes slash beach clothes out of my drawer. Just the things that I think are necessary. Packing for day one. I'm actually not sure because I think the first day there's gonna be, or the second night, one of the nights there's gonna be an all white party, I think, and then a mega deck party another night. I don't know. I wish I had the itinerary so I would know. But for the all white party, I have this cute skirt I got on Amazon, and then this crop top I got a long time ago at Pretty Little Thing. If that doesn't happen, I need a cute outfit to like go out, have dinner. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shirt with one of the jeans, with this jeans. So day one is settled. Day two. Now day two we going in the pool. Like we have to. Okay, so we're gonna arrive at the port at 1 p.m. Okay, so if we're gonna go to the beach at Freeport, I'm gonna get up, eat breakfast, but for breakfast I'm going to wear this crop top, this pink crop top, super cute, with some shorts. Really only like 2 outfits for this day. This dress. One thing I remember about being on the cruise is that I really wanted like a hoodie, and I didn't bring a hoodie. And my sweater was dirty, so I wanted a hoodie to be able to go out and like the deck and watch a movie at nighttime because it gets cold and we're in the middle of the ocean. It's nighttime, so it's obviously gonna get a little bit colder, and so I wish I had that. So I'm definitely gonna bring a hoodie this time for sure. I think I'm gonna want to wear these white like beach kind of short things. Go with this, or I can simply just wear this tube top dress, and it's comfortable and it's cute. And it's giving green island vibes, you know what I mean? And I have my bathing suit under it. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, I'm gonna wear this. And I can even like turn it into a shirt and have this on. So we gotta pop out again. We gotta pop out in the nighttime. Wear something really nice. I'm thinking of wearing this and wearing like some jeans under it. For breakfast, I think I'm just gonna wear this shirt because I'm gonna probably go in the pool right after. Wear this shirt with these shorts. I love these black shorts, they're very cute. And then wear the swimsuit. Then after that, take a shower, eat lunch, and I'll wear some like afternoon vibe kind of thing. This tube top dress is super cute and it's long and it's like nice, so I'll wear this. And then in the nighttime for dinner, I'm going to wear my birthday outfit, which is this ribbed long sleeve shirt dress. Ooh, I have it backwards. With the glasses I showed y'all and the shoes I showed y'all. So yeah, that's basically it. Then the next day we're leaving, so I need to wear something comfy for the airport. Let's get another t-shirt and some sweats. But it's also my birthday, so I might want to look cute. So I think I'm gonna suck it up and wear these jeans to the airport. I mean, I don't mind wearing jeans to the airport. It's fine for me. I know a lot of people hate it, but I'm gonna take these. And let me grab a t-shirt. I'm gonna wear this crop top with like a sweater over because airplane got cold. And then I also said like I like to pack extra stuff just in case like the outfits I pictured in my head don't go as planned. I have like a backup options. I love sleeping comfortably, so I'm gonna bring my cute pajamas. Have these cute like little dog ones. This like gingerbread cute pink one, and then there's just this red one and, and this satin one. I'm gonna bring my Jordans, my Birkenstocks, and my Crocs, which I'm wearing right now. I know I'm not gonna have a purse every single day, but I just want to bring a purse for every single day. I have this cute white one, perfect for vacation. I have this Prada one that's just like a perfect all-around purse. It's black, so it works. And then this purple Telfar bag. This is just a cute pop of color that my boyfriend got me. Why am I flexing right now? This beach bag I got from Mexico when we went on the other cruise. This was in Cozumel, Mexico. So for my toiletries and my makeup, I already have like this stuff packed up because I go to my sister's house a lot. So I have all of my face products in here. I have my cleanser, my moisturizer, my toothbrush, because I sleep over a lot in the weekend, so I just have my go bag ready to go. In this bag I have a mist and lotion. So all of my makeup is already in this bag and in this bag. 2 makeup bags. I just realized that half of the end of the video, you cannot see my face. It's okay, you don't need to see my face. But basically, what I was saying was that I'm gonna film a glow up video with me for my birthday. My birthday is exactly a week from now. Time goes by so fast, it's insane. I'm gonna get my nails done, my eyebrows done, my hair done, and that's before the cruise. So I'll see you in that, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for packing with me. I know it was a little crazy because my head is just like thinking about a million things at a time, and I'm like trying to figure out like which outfits would look cute, like which outfits I can take pictures in, and things like that. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe and leave a comment. If you stayed all the way to the end of the video, comment down below where you want to go to vacation on next.